Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Tribe beauty box for April/May 2022. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so April/May Tribe Beauty bag just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Tribe Beauty Box, for sending me your box bag to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Sometimes it's in a box, sometimes it's in a bag, but it's still Tribe Beauty Box. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is going to be in this month. One side's kind of opened, but let's get the rest of it opened and let's dive in and see what we have. Now, I don't see a card. Normally they have a card that goes over the items and tells us the pricing, but apparently we either didn't get one this month or mine hopped out of the box. So everything was in this nice little envelope to protect it, plus it's in their bubble wrap envelope as well. So, okay, let's just go ahead and see what's all inside. I do have 3 little packets here that we'll go with first. It's Luxie Quick Wipe. What do you do with these? Pro Brush Cleaning Wipes. Okay, so these are like a brush cleaning wipe. That is really neat. You could definitely always use that to clean your brushes. So you have 3 little packs, and it does say the instructions: clean and condition your brushes on the go, keeping the fibers sanitized and feeling soft. Oh, you can sanitize them with these as well, and it conditions them. That's even better. So you do have 3 of these. The next thing by Luxie that I'm seeing is a Luxie brush. This one is Luxie 237 Blending. So that's what it looks like. And I do actually like Luxie brushes, so I will add this to my collection of brushes, but it's a little blending brush right there. So there's 2 Luxie products so far. Now we have, it says Color Drops Serum Blush. Okay, so if this is a blush, I will gladly save this for one of you guys to enjoy. I normally don't wear blush anyways, but let's see if we can kind of see what it looks like inside. It says EM Cosmetics. There's a QR. There's a QR you can scan. I try to mix those together, I guess. It says on here, this lightweight yet luxurious serum formula provides sheer bendable, oh my dear goodness, buildable color and an enduring, youthful, dewy glow with each drop. Dispense 1 drop to cover both cheeks. So 1 little drop will cover both of your cheeks. And then it says, with clean hands, blend into the skin with fingertips in a soft tapping motion. To intensify the color, add another drop. And it looks like this one is going to be Sunset Sky. Sometimes they do send colors at random when it's like a lip product, a blush product, highlighter product, something like that. So this might be sent at random. I'm not sure. Again, we don't have a card. But let me open this up from the bottom and we can see what the packaging on the inside at least looks like. And then again, I will save this for one of you guys to enjoy. Maybe they don't want you to see it. They're like, no, bitch, leave me in here. Okay, so how cute. Look at how cute it is though. That is a really cute little package. I just don't wear blush, so it would just be wasted just looking cute on my vanity area. That is so adorable. That packaging is simply adorable. But again, I don't use the product and I'd rather go to somebody who would actually use it. So there is that guy, but that's a cute package. Super, super cute. So now we have one that says Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. Moisture Boost, Vitamin Boost, Feeding, Nourishing, and Firming. At first, when it said Mud Masky, I was thinking it was going to be like a mud mask that you wash off that I've been getting a lot of lately. But no, that's the brand name. It is actually an eye serum. That's awesome. I love a good eye serum. And so on this one, it says instructions: wash your hands and face. Apply a few drops under eyes. Leave on during the day and or night. Use daily on clean skin and before applying makeup. Always apply the serum before applying any moisturizer and any SPF products. So that is really neat. You have a nice large size eye serum and you just squeeze it out the end. If I can get that opened. And ta-da! So it's like a white little milky kind of color, and you just add a little bit to each eye, day or night, day or night. There's no scent or anything, but it feels really nice and nourishing, so I think that would feel really good under your eye area. It feels really nice. Ooh, it feels really nice. So there's that guy. Now we have, it looks like it's going to be a lip product. It says Liquid Lipstick by Lorella. Is that how you say that? Let me remove the plastic. So that is, that's the brand name if you can catch that. And it looks like the color of this one will be Royalty. And again, most of the time they are sent at random. Sometimes they could always be the same, and sometimes they could be sent at random for the color variation. So this is the one that's in my box. And when we get her out, that is what it looks like. It's kind of like a purple burgundy-ish type kind of color, like a plum. What do I call it? My plumish. This definitely would not go with what I'm wearing today, but ooh, that is a really pretty color. That is a really pretty color though. Look at that. So that's a really pretty color. I like that. So there's that guy. Again, my color is Royalty. And then the last item in here is going to be a palette. This one is by Alter Ego, and it's the Luster palette. I actually have enjoyed the Alter Ego palettes that I have. I did a comparison video one time comparing it to the one that it was like a dupe from, and I actually did enjoy their brand better than the original, to be honest. It was just a really good formula and I liked it. This is adorable with the colors though. Look at that. It's just beautiful packaging with that marbly effect, all of the little glimmer and shine throughout it. It is just a gorgeous package, that's for sure. And then down inside, ooh, she is pretty. And this lipstick definitely would go with this palette. So this time they definitely matched the palette with my color anyway. But look at how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I'm so excited. It says Luster Charm. That is absolutely beautiful. So this, whoa, okay. This color Crystal, it literally is like an opalescent, iridescent type of a, oh wow, okay. Wow. Look at that. That shine of like a purple and pinkish sheen to it. That would be, oh, I can't wait. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this palette. This is gorgeous. Let me go ahead and swatch these colors for you guys. Ooh, and this Radiant one, it shifts from like an orange copper color to like a pinkish. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, so here is the entire palette swatched. So this guy right here, that is that like corally orange / pink color. That, yeah, that is just so pretty. All of those colors together. So I am really, really impressed with this palette so far. I cannot wait to get it on my face in the next few days. And I just think the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. And that's really neat because I didn't have this palette. I have a few, like I said, that I really like of Alter Ego. So I'm so glad to get a new palette, and that's just beautiful. You guys, I think this is like one of my favorite boxes, even though I don't use blush. That's like cutest blush, and a lot of people wear blush, so that's a good thing to put in the box. The eye serum is amazing. You have brush cleaner with the Luxie brush and then the lip product. This beautiful palette. I think this particular box is my favorite, is on my favorites list. Definitely, it's one of my top favorites. I really think they did amazing with this box for this time. So, whoa. That's awesome, you guys. I do have a code, Shecrafty, which would get you 10% off if you are interested. So a quick recap, we have this really gorgeous palette. You have some cleaning wipes by Luxie with a Luxie brush. You have the cutest blush, a lip product, and then the eye serum. So again, this is one of my top favorite boxes that they've done. I really feel they knocked it out of the park this time. And I really love that this is bi-monthly. So there's only 6 of them per year. You're not getting bombarded with palettes because there's always a makeup palette in there. But you're not getting bombarded with all of this makeup, but it's a great way to grow your collection and get new things, try new things. It's a little mixture, and I think this time was amazing. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. If you want a little bit more information about Tribe Beauty, they have this one, and then they have one that's just for lashes. It's the Lash Scoop. So for this one, you will receive a box of trendy and indie brands every 2 months. You will get 5 full-size beauty products with a worth of $120 or higher, and it's $39.99 per box plus shipping. Again, there's only 6 of them per year. If you do a 3-month plan, which is basically half the year because it's 3 boxes every other month, that one will bring it down to $37.99 per box. Or if you go to the 6-month plan, that's $35.99 per box. So the more months you prepay for, the deeper discount that you can get, and Shecrafty will get you 10% off. Tribe Beauty is also 100% female owned. It says, our goal is to discover the next big thing in beauty. Each box is valued at $120 or higher, so you can enjoy and discover the best of indie beauty at a fraction of the cost. The Lash Scoop that I was telling you about, that one you can get premium lash subscription, get 5 different lashes delivered monthly. That one is monthly, and it is $11.99 with free shipping. So that is a monthly thing, and that one has the free shipping. 6 months will bring it down to $11.49, and 12 months will bring it down to $11 plus the free shipping. So that is everything that I have to say for this particular video, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of these products? What do you think of Tribe Beauty? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.